Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can contact the Just Eat app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Just Eat app. And once you open it, you need to simply tap on the settings option. So once you are here, simply tap on the help option. After you press on help, you can either go on online support for your queries or to contact them for any other questions, or you can simply go on legal to talk about some or know about some legal aspects as well. So in this manner, you can contact the Just Eat app simply, as you can also leave reviews about your experience with it. So I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.